And this just goes on and on. I mean, it talks about in just one very troubling instance, Common Core standards will replace state-based standardized testing with nationally based standardized testing, the creation and initial implementation of which will be funded in full by the federal government. It is to be funded by the states. Common Core is going to be an economic backbreaker. All the schools' bandwidth is going to have to be increased. Every child's going to have a computer, probably a new computer every year, because we know how children treat equipment. The Pioneer Institute did a very conservative estimate as to what they felt Common Core was going to cost. A lot of things they left out because they really couldn't come up with a cost. And they have a very conservative estimate of $16 billion nationally. And what do the experts say? There was a team, a validation team for math, and there was a validation team for the English language arts. Dr. Milgram from Stanford University was the only mathematician on the validation team. Only mathematician on the validation team. So we have a team validating mathematics with one mathematician on the team. And a lot of what we want to call stakeholders making the rest of the decisions. He refused to sign off on the final document, and there were 5 people who refused to sign off on the math and the ELA final documents, and Dr. Milgram was one of them. Only mathematician on the validation team. He refused to sign off on the final document, and there were